Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we will start our chapter number 2 which is parts of computer. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as our body has many parts like head, hands, feet, eyes, ears, legs, etc. Each part has its own function in our body. So similarly, computer too has many parts. For a system to work, it needs all the parts to work together, and thus every part has its own importance. Same way, every part of a computer has its own importance like our body parts. There are two types of parts of a computer. The first one is primary parts, second one is secondary part. So today in this video we will learn about primary parts of a computer system. So as you can see, there are many main primary parts like monitor, keyboards, mouse, CPU. The four are main parts of a computer, or we can say these are the primary parts of a computer. So first one is monitor. It looks like a TV screen. It is connected to the CPU with wire. As you can see, there are two types of monitor screen. First one is CRT monitor. Second one is LCD monitor. They both are monitors. So it display all the information and work which is done inside the computer. You can watch movies and cartoons on it. The monitor has an on-off button at the front. Turning the monitor off does not turn off the computer. So, second, keyboard. The keyboard is made of several small buttons called keys. Each key has an alphabet, number, or symbol on it. We can use a keyboard to type in the text or instructions to the computer. Usually, what is typed on the keyboard appears on the monitor screen. Third one is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that controls the movement of a pointer on the screen. Its name is derived from its shape. As you can see, this mouse looks like a real mouse. So its name is derived from the shape. It connecting wire that can be imagined to be a tail. As the real mouse has a tail, in this mouse the wire is imagined to be a tail. A mouse has two buttons which can be clicked to perform actions on the computer. So as you can see, the mouse has two buttons. The first button is called left mouse button and the second button is called right mouse button. So clicking the mouse once is called a single click, while clicking it twice is called double click. So depending on the side of the mouse button, it is called a right click or left click. So many mouse have a wheel between button. called a scroll wheel. It helps us to draw pictures, play games, and give instructions to the computer. So mouse is a very important device in our computer system, which has two buttons and a wheels. First button is called left mouse button, while the second button is called right mouse button. So last one is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also called the brain of computer. CPU connects all the parts of the computer and makes them work together. So it means CPU is the most important part of a computer system, and it stands for Central Processing Unit. So it means CPU is a processing device. So these four are the primary parts of a computer. In next video we will learn about the secondary part of a computer. So that is it for today. Thank you so much, students.